So it's time for another performance-based assessment. So this is the second performance task. And let's have the specific task. Number 1, gather and organize quantitative data on students' attitude towards math courses. So students will be given here a survey and they have to answer, okay, complete the survey and that will serve as the data. Second, construct the required table using a statistical application. Third, interpret the results of the table number 2. Fourth, use A4 size in the submission of the printed copy of the output. And these are the required outputs. Okay. Number 1, screenshot of the encoded data and the SPSS or JASP outputs. Second, accomplish table using suggested format. So, you have to consider here, okay, table number 2. Third, written interpretation following the required discussion contents. And number 4, printed copy of the output. So similar to the first performance task, you have to perform this one step by step. Okay, and you have to consider the thought, the provided inputs. Okay, so this performance task is good for 50 points. So these are the criteria. Accuracy of the table, 20 points. And then we have excellent, very satisfactory, developing, and beginning. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So, okay. We have here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Times 4, we have 20. Okay. Next is interpretation of the results. So we have 15. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times 3. Okay, and then we also have evidence on the use of application, 10 points, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times 2. Okay, that's 10. And of course, timeliness, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times 1 only. So that's 5 points. So a total of 20 plus 15, 35 plus 10, 45 plus 5, 50. A total of 50 points.